It's barely been a week since GPT-5 dropped, and wow. People are already doing some absolutely mind-bending things with it, so today we're going to break down 10 of the craziest, most impactful use cases that really show everything has changed. Let's just dive right in.
You know, for a while now, we've gotten pretty used to AI as this conversational partner, right? It's a tool that answers our questions. But what if that was just the appetizer? What if the real revolution isn't about how AI answers, but what it can actually do?
And that right there, that is the fundamental shift with GPT-5. It's not just a slightly better model. No, it's a completely different kind of beast. It's an agent. It can take a goal you give it, actually think about it for a while, and then, and this is the key, act on it using real-world tools. We're talking about a whole new paradigm here.
Okay, so here's the game plan for today. First, we'll unpack this huge agentic leap. Then we'll see how it's automating research and even creation. After that, we'll look at how it can automate your personal life. And finally, we'll zoom out and see what this all means for the future.
All right, first things first. Let's get right to the heart of what makes GPT-5 such a game changer. It really all boils down to one single massive feature.
And that feature is called agent mode. And look, forget about just having a bigger context window or something like that. This is completely different. This is about giving the AI a really complex goal and then handing it the keys to the car, giving it tools like a web browser to actually go out and solve it. It can research, it can analyze data, and it can chew on a problem for like 30 minutes or more to come back with a complete solution. It's not just responding anymore, it's thinking and acting.
Okay, so that's the theory, but what does this agentic leap actually look like in the real world? Let's jump into our first set of use cases, which are all about, well, basically outsourcing the hardest parts of our thinking.
All right, imagine this. You're looking at a potential investment, maybe a private company. Now, normally, the due diligence on that, we're talking days, maybe even weeks of grinding through research.
Well, now, the process it's just ridiculously simple. You just hand the agent the company's financials, you tell it what kind of investor you are, and then you just let it go. And in about half an hour, after it's scoured the web for competitor data, news, all of it, it comes back with a full, in-depth report on whether you should pull the trigger. 30 minutes.
All right, let's tackle another huge headache for pretty much everyone, the job market. I mean, whether you're looking for a job or trying to hire someone, it's just a massive, massive time sink, right?
So with agent mode, you can basically automate that whole painful process. If you're looking for a job, you can give it access to your LinkedIn, tell it what you want, and boom, it'll find the top 5 best fit jobs for you. And if you're a recruiter, oh man, it's even more powerful. You just feed it a job description and it will go out and scour LinkedIn to find the perfect people.
And the results are they're wild. In one experiment, the agent didn't just find 10 amazing candidates. It then went ahead and sent a personalized outreach message to every single one of them. Think about that. That is the entire top of the recruiting funnel. Just done. Automatically.
Okay. So we've seen analysis. Now let's switch gears and talk about creation, because this is where GPT-5 stops being a passive assistant and really becomes an active partner in actually building things from scratch.
And the very first thing you'll notice is just the writing quality. Let's be honest, a lot of us got used to GPT-4's style, which was kind of off, right? A little immature, maybe a few too many emojis. Well, GPT-5 is a massive leap forward. It hallucinates way less, it can actually learn your personal writing style from things you've written, and it spits out content that feels, well, it feels human.
Now, a huge piece of unlocking this new quality comes down to the prompt. Just look at the difference here. A super simple prompt like image of a duck flying gets you, well, a simple image. But when you give it a really structured, detailed prompt like this JSON format, you're giving the model everything it needs. You're telling it the style, the background, the emotion, even the reflections on the water. You're giving it the full picture, and you get something spectacular back. It's that old saying, right? Better input, way better output.
But okay, it's not just about text and images.
This is where things get truly insane. Somebody gave the model this one prompt, just a single line, and it wrote all the code for a fully playable 2D video game. I mean, it handled the physics, the shooting mechanics, all of it, just from that one sentence.
And this one-shot creation thing, it's not just for games. It applies to real business tools. So what if you need a dashboard to track your team's video production? Instead of scoping it out and hiring a developer, you can now just describe what you want. And it will build a working front end for you where you can manage everything. Assign tasks, check progress, the whole deal.
Okay, so we've seen how this can totally change your work life. But what about, the rest of your life? This is where GPT-5 starts to feel like a true personal productivity revolution.
Think about planning a big trip. It used to be this huge, overwhelming task, right? But now, because GPT-5 can think longer, it can really chew on a problem, you can ask it to plan a whole 15-day trip to San Francisco, and it'll do this massive deep dive, creating a complete itinerary. We're talking places to go, food to try, people you could meet, events to attend. All that research that would take you hours, done in minutes.
Okay. This next one might be my absolute favorite use case. You can literally create your own personal board of directors. Here's how. You have the agent go out and analyze the books, the interviews, everything from people you really admire. It distills all their core ideas and philosophies. Then you take those documents and upload them into a custom GPT. And now, anytime you have a problem or a big decision, you can ask your virtual board for advice that's grounded in the wisdom of your heroes. How cool is that? All right, let's zoom out for a second. All of these individual examples are amazing, for sure. But the real power, the true game changer, happens when you start connecting GPT-5 to the other tools you're already using. This is where automation platforms like Make.com or NN come in. You can use them to plug GPT-5 into your workflows. And that lets you build these custom agents that string multiple tasks together. For example, you could build an agent that finds a trending news article, writes a LinkedIn post about it, generates a cool image to go with it, and then emails the whole package to you so you can just hit approve. That's a whole workflow, automated. And here's the bottom line. When you put GPT-5 at the heart of these automations, every single thing that comes out the other end gets a massive upgrade. All of a sudden, your automated reports are actually insightful. Your automated content feels genuinely human. And your automated plans are way, way more detailed and useful.
And that really brings us to the final and maybe the most important question of all. We're clearly moving past AI being just a simple tool. It's becoming a partner, an agent, that can handle really complex work from start to finish. So, when an AI agent can automate the core tasks that make up your job today, what are you going to do? What new, bigger, more creative problems are you going to solve with all that freed up time and energy?